How to add debit card to Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to add a debit card to your Robinhood account to make deposits easier and faster. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After that, you can see this person icon on the bottom right corner. This will get you access to your account settings. After that, tap on transfer, or you can also click on search bar and type in transfers. Now tap on transfers to manage how you move money in and out of Robinhood. Then tap on linked account to see which bank or cards are already connected. After that, tap on add account and you'll be able to choose a debit card option or search for your bank. Now make sure that not all debit cards work. Keep in mind that Robinhood primarily use bank account linking, so not all debit cards are accepted. If your card does not work, try linking your bank account directly instead. So this is how you can add debit card to your Robinhood account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.